Eating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables is not only delicious, but it's also incredibly nutritious. But with so many options out there, how do you make sure you're getting a good mix of all the vitamins and minerals your body needs? One easy way is to head to your local farmer's market or grocery store and pick up an array of colorful produce. Look for bright red peppers, deep purple eggplants, vibrant yellow squash, and leafy greens. One great way to use these ingredients is in a colorful salad. Start with a bed of leafy greens, then add in chopped tomatoes, sliced cucumbers, and shredded carrots. Top it off with some sliced strawberries or diced mango for a sweet twist. Another way to incorporate fruits and veggies into your diet is by making a smoothie. Combine a handful of spinach with a frozen banana, some fresh berries, and a splash of almond milk. You'll get a delicious and nutritious drink that packs a punch of vitamins and minerals. You can also grill up some vegetables for a tasty twist. Try slicing up some zucchini, bell peppers, and onions, and tossing them on the grill with a little bit of olive oil and seasoning. The smoky flavor is sure to satisfy your taste buds. Stir-fry is another great option. Sauté some sliced carrots, broccoli, and bell peppers in a little bit of sesame oil. Then add in some cooked brown rice and a protein of your choice. Top it off with some chopped cilantro or green onions for a burst of flavor. Incorporating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables into your diet doesn't have to be difficult. With a little bit of creativity, you can create delicious and nutritious meals that your body will thank you for. Remember, eating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables is essential for your overall health and well-being. So make sure to include them in your meals every day. Your body will thank you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more healthy tips and recipes.